Well, it's leaving enough behind. That's probably not having a flex header. I'm not sure what his deal was there. I'm not sure if his brakes locked in or what happened, or if he's pushing too hard on the header. But anyway, what he's doing now is keeping his trasher stuff separate from his really high yielding to see what he gets out of it, I guess. The corn planter got broken, so we just spun these on. Yeah, we're not planting very heavy either, so we'll see what happens. Much quieter. Not much to harvest right there. Got a lot of green pods in here, like a typical John Deere. I got a lot of the other stuff cleaned out, I think. That there before I set the fan back up. Some of that floated too, so I don't know, target and thing to. That's where I had a Massey. It'd be nice to have a separate reed thrasher. That might work a little better. It's yielding terrible considering as bad as they were. But that's going to yield a bit more, I feel.